Welcome to the JCM Industries Incorporated presentation for the installation of the Model 116 repair sleeve for concrete steel cylinder pipe. The installation of a JCM Model 116 repair sleeve on 16-inch concrete steel cylinder pipe featured in this presentation took place in the central region of Massachusetts. For more information on this type of pipe, visit the American Concrete Pressure Pipe Association at www.acppa.org. During an underground drilling procedure, the drilling contractor hit the 16-inch water main. The utility director contacted Hydratech for assistance in the repair of the pipe. Hydratech personnel were successful at shutting down the 16-inch transmission main and relied upon a 12-inch line to supply the elevated tanks. Under normal circumstances, the 12-inch line would keep up with water consumption. However, this period was not under normal circumstances. The Massachusetts region was suffering from extreme drought conditions, measured at stage 4 out of 5, and water usage was at peak. Commercial customers were getting by with temporary lines running to their locations. It was critical to get the 16-inch main back in service. Hydratech excavated the location at the damaged area and exposed the 16-inch pre-stressed concrete cylinder pipe and measured the pipe diameter. They contacted Waterworks distributor Pipe Plus, located in Leominster, for repair product solutions. On Wednesday, Pipe Plus began communications with our JCM inside sales team to expedite the manufacturing and shipment of the 16-inch repair sleeve. The standard JCM 116 repair sleeve will repair a damaged area up to 12 inches in diameter. The sleeve was in JCM's production process on Thursday and Friday and shipped on Monday overnight freight. The fitting was delivered to the site on Tuesday. The JCM 116 repair sleeve for concrete steel cylinder pipe is designed to repair damage to the watertight steel cylinder, provide a system to grout the area, and restore strength and concrete integrity to the pipe. The fitting is engineered with a separate gland furnished with a blank plate and a broad pressure-activated gasket. The gasket is sized to encompass the damaged area and seal on the steel cylinder, preventing line content infiltration between the cylinder and the concrete coating. The technician inspects the area to determine the extent of damage and ensure the repair fitting is sized correctly to make the repair beyond the damaged area on the cylinder surface. The technician removes the concrete coating around the damaged area to the size of the repair sleeve gland. He takes great care not to cause additional damage to the cylinder. In this close-up, note the damage to the cylinder. The boring process would have hit the concrete outer coating and continued through the coating to make contact with the wires or cylinder of the pipe. After removal of the concrete coating, the 116 repair sleeve body is installed over the cleared area. The body of the sleeve is filled with grout via the grout horns on the body. Once set, the pre-stressed wires are carefully cut and removed. The wide body of the sleeve supports and reinforces the pipe's circumference and returns the hoop strength integrity of the pipe at the repair location. Installation of the separate repair gland over the damaged area. The gland portion is drawn down to seal onto the cylinder by hardware in the body flange. Once in place, load-bearing set screws protect the cylinder from any outside forces. Note the repair blank on the inside of the gland. When the installation of the repair sleeve is completed, the area between the body and gland flanges and the neck area of the fitting is filled with grout. To complete the installation, the entire sleeve and around the pipe is coated in concrete or grout. These grouting processes take the repair sleeve from being a separate unit to becoming an integral part of the pipeline that provides the same corrosion resistance as the piping material. Once the installation was complete, the contractor let everything cure and set in place overnight, and charged the water main the next morning with no issues. Utility systems that have concrete steel cylinder pipe that could experience third-party damage should have a contingency plan that includes a 116 repair sleeve be kept on the shelf. Immediate access to a 116 would eliminate time loss, water loss, overtime and expedite costs, and loss of service to customers. Utility managers should network with regional utility systems that have the same size or type of pipe. Utilities could keep one repair sleeve for each size of pipe in stock, collectively borrow then replace at standard cost shipping, avoiding expediting costs. JCM is exceptionally grateful to Hydrotech of Sterling, Massachusetts, Pipe Plus of Leominster, and manufacturing representative Jed Millardo Associates for their contribution to this presentation. JCM appreciates the time you have spent with us during this presentation. For more information on pipe repair fittings or other JCM products, contact our sales team at 1-800-527-8482 or 903-832-2581 or visit us at www.jcmindustries.com. Thanks for watching.